My name is Zion, and this is my wife, Valentina, and we've been doing locksmith for over than 12 years now.
Here in our channel, we will share our knowledge and everything we learned over the years. Here you will find everything about locks and keys, whether it's for your home, office, or vehicle. We will cover it all.
So what you're going to do, first thing you see, the thumb turn is lined up like that. So we need to turn it this way that we're able to get these two screws. Okay, so you open the first one, second screw, then we take the lock out, then we have the bolt. Okay, you have two screws here. We're going to open these two screws. Now we're going to take the deadbolt out. Now we're going to put a new one in. Now, as you see, the deadbolt have two sizes, 2 3 1/4 and 2 3 1/8. So we're going to move. You can turn it a little bit, then you pull it and put it back in the size that you want it. It depends how the installation in your door. That's the right one. Now what we're going to do, if you take a look on the bolt, it will sit here top. So this side going to be up. Put it on this side. Now, we're going to put these two screws back here. Not too strong, it's not have to be too tight. Now we're going to take the lock. Now make sure this tailpiece is moving, so if you put it that way, it's not going to operate your lock. So you have to turn it all the way like it's in lock position. Then you stick it coming from this side. Okay, you see there is a plus here. So you're going to put the tailpiece inside this plus. You're going to take the thumb turn back. And put it here and then turn it again. Now we're going to put the screws. Always turn it a little bit with your hand until you feel that it's right in the place, and then you can do it with a screwdriver. That's it. Now you got a new lock. You can try it with the keys. Working good.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next one if you don't get locked.